We're blue.
Oo nga, no? Hindi pinag-usapan
Di ba
yan.
pinag-usapan?
Hindi.
Nakala ko tinignan mo yung damit ko.
Hindi pinag-usapan yan.
Okay.
Meant to be.
Yes, meant to be. And blue is one of your favorite colors, right?
Yes, it is.
So,
Ikaw maglilid today, hindi ako.
sige. Okay, ready?
Mhm.
Welcome to A-Mark the Podcast.
Siya po si Acel.
At siya naman po si Mark. At today ay Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you, Mami.
Yan. At dahil Father's Day ngayon, pag-uusapan natin si Mark.
Hindi lang ako.
Pag-uusapan natin ang mga pinagdadaanan ng isang tatay, ang mga dreams ng isang tatay, ang mga pagbabago.
At bago po yan, syempre, binabati po namin lahat ng mga tatay sa buhay namin. Lolo Ginny, my father. Lolo Onji, her father. Si Paul. Si Papa Ken. Si Kuya Kits. All the other fathers. Meron ba ako na-miss?
At sa lahat ng mga titos natin.
Oo. At
ang
syempre,
magigiting nating mga ama na kahit hindi naman talaga sila nag-bear ng, nakabuo ng child.
yes. Sama mo na rin yung mga single moms na tumatayong mother and father ng kanilang mga anak. Happy Father's Day po.
Happy Father's Day. Napaka-importante ng role ng ama sa pamilya.
Oo naman.
Sila ang haligi ng tahanan. Right?
Kaya usapan namin siya mag-host nitong episode na to. Chillax lang ako today.
I'll try my best.
Siya, bahala dito sa episode na to. Ako, sasagutin ko lang lahat ng tanong niya. Bahala siya ngayon.
Alam mo, karamihan ng tatay tahimik lang eh. Sumusunod lang sa mga asawa nila. Ayan. Ito asawa ko.
Ganun yung umpisa niya.
Hindi.
Makisisi akong pinag-control ko siya ng episode. Game.
Hindi. But yung mga tatay kasi,
bang ginagawa mo dyan sa mic?
kasi parang nalalaglag. Ayan, hindi na. Okay.
Dikit mo na lang doon sa chair, okay?
Hindi, Daddy, nalalaglag talaga. Ang ating mga tatay talaga ang nakatoka para mag-provide sa ating pamilya. And that gives such a big burden to all fathers.
Well, it's generally any financial obligation naman kahit hindi ka tatay. Mabigat eh. Pero since yung father nga ang normally bears that responsibility. Mabigat siya, but don't get me wrong, it's one of the most fulfilling parts. Kasi,
Why?
Because it keeps you going every day.
Right. Keeps you motivated.
Oo, keeps you motivated, keeps you positive thinking, keeps you yung planning and yung juices mo to just keep yourself going, find more ways of earning, find new sources of income. Ano ho yun eh? Siguro sa tingin ko ang lalaki is brought into this world to become a provider, to become the safe space, to become yung taong maaasahan ng pamilya nila. Yun ang paniniwala ko.
Paano naman ng mga tatay na hindi nila kaya financially na suportahan ng pamilya? Hindi ba nakakabawas sa pagkalalaki yun na hindi nila kayang i-provide fully? Dahil nowadays, we have working moms as well. Lalo sa mahal ng bilihin ngayon, kailangan tulong ang nanay at tatay.
Hindi naman.
Para itaguyod ang pamilya.
Hindi nakakabawas sa pagkalalaki yun. Kasi I think, lahat ng requirements naman ng pamilya, dapat yung mag-asawa. Unified unit, kumbaga. Diba? Pero kung meron talagang sinasabi nating dapat asahan, kung expectations lang sa society, expectations sa mundo, yung tatay talaga yun. Kaya,
alam mo, ang dami-dami ng expectations na yan.
Yun na nga eh.
Lalo, we're moving forward. Before kasi, puro lalaki, puro tatay ang bida. Ngayon, pantay na eh, no? But now, seeing fathers now, ikukumpara natin siya sa fathers before na mas involved naman kayo with your children. And you really make time. Kasi dati ang ating mga tatay, trabaho lang. Pagdating sa bahay, pagod na. Hindi na sila socialize,
Mhm.
interact with their
Yeah,
kids.
but don't get me wrong,
Mhm.
mas marami yung tatay na ganun. Kasi ang normal na trabaho naman talaga 9 to 5.
Right,
Yung
right.
iba tatay nagtatrabaho sa
Mm.
pabrika, yung ibang tatay nadidestino sa mas malayong
Yeah.
lugar sa
But you
nila.
know, now pansin ko talaga yung generation ngayon, they make it a point na ilalabas sila yung mga anak nila, may
Mhm.
time sila. Daddies are already changing
Yeah.
nappies. Gumagawa na rin sila ng mga gawaing bahay. Kaya ang lucky po natin.
Alam mo, ang tingin ko, epekto yan ng social media eh.
Is it?
Kasi 'di ba, like tayo pag nakikita natin lalo sa Instagram, 'di ba? Pagka may nakita ka dong advice on how to become a better father, advice on how
Oh.
to become a better mother, parang na-broaden tuloy yung paniniwala natin sa kung ano yung konsepto ng pagiging tatay o pagiging nanay na, "Ay, ito pala dapat ganito." Yung tipo lang na pag may sinesend ka sa akin yung, hayaan mo na
Tinitake in niya pala lahat yung
lahat yun,
sinesend
oo, 'di
ko.
ba? Parang enjoyin mo na ngayon 'yan dahil pagdating sa ganitong edad hindi ka napapansinin niya, nasa kwarto. So, parang enjoyin mo yung panahon na nakapulupot sila sa'yo, enjoyin mo yung time na puro daddy, daddy, look daddy, let's do this daddy, let's go there daddy. Kasi after a while, pag lumaki na, wala na. So, I think, yun yung isa sa mga good parts about social media access eh. Parang yung mga ganong side, natututo tayo.
Also, pwede nating sabihin na inaayos natin yung generation ngayon.
Yeah.
Hindi ba nga? May mga pinuputol tayo from the ways before.
Hi, Sandrine.
Hi!
Bagong gising pa yan, partida.
Good morning. Today is
Father's Day.
Father's Day. Do you have a gift for Daddy?
Oh, I'll show them what
Do you have a
Sandrine
gift
made for me.
Daddy?
Tingnan niyo po ito
Ah. Dahil nandito ka na lang
Ayan.
din.
So, Sandrine made me
Yay!
this.
Teka, hindi kita.
Pakita natin sa kanya. Mas malapit. Mag-zoom ba yan?
It's not
It's
zooming.
not zooming. I don't know why. Anyway, ang nakalagay po dito. Ayan.
Ayan,
nakikita
better ba?
naman nila.
Better na. Okay,
Kita niyo po ba?
it says, what does it say, Sandrine?
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. Tapos ang ginawa po niya, meron siyang maliliit na cards sa loob. And what are these cards about? It's about Daddy.
Can you read? Can you read them?
Okay, I want you to read them one by one, okay?
Oh.
Daddy is
Loving.
Andito ka, anak,
okay?
para we can hear you.
And Daddy is a
Hero.
Oh.
Okay. What else? Daddy
Narinig
is
ba siya?
Smart.
smart.
Narinig siya.
Narinig yan.
Okay.
Yes, smart.
Daddy is smart.
Daddy is
Funny.
funny. Daddy is also
Brave.
brave. Daddy is very
Cool.
cool. Daddy is also
Gentle.
gentle. Daddy is also
Giving.
giving. And Daddy is
Caring.
Thank you, Sandrine.
Bakit lahat naman ng katangian niya na ikaw talaga?
Ba? Talaga ba?
You know what strikes me? Fathers are the protectors. Yeah, they need to be the anchor of the family. Kasi dun huhugot talaga ng kumpiyansa ang pamilya, lalo na ang nanay.
Yep.
When we were dating, remember, I told you na I wanted someone who's stronger than I am. Yeah, kasi I felt I have a strong personality. I am very independent. And, yeah. So, importante sa akin na malakas, strong, that you're a protector, and that you're brave. Yeah. Do you feel these qualities in you?
I don't think about them on a daily basis.
Yeah, of
I think
course.
tayong dalawa, we have our own different strengths, kumbaga. Ako siguro, dahil I don't want to say na I've completely grown into being a dad. Feeling ko ang haba pa nung tatahaking natin journey. Kasi we're barely 5 years na magulang, di ba? 5 years pa lang po. 5 years old pa lang po itong si Sandrine. But from what I've learned itong last 5 years na being a dad, it's the best job in the world. Kasi ewan ko, I like the feeling na merong mga umaasa sa akin, na merong mga tumitingin sa akin as a protector, as loving, caring,
You're their
hero, di
hero.
ba?
Oo.
So, gusto ko yung pakiramdam na yun. Not because I think I'm strong, but because I think gusto ko yung role ko. Gusto kong maging tatay, gusto kong maging ama, gusto kong maging that kind of person to the girls, di ba? Yun.
I like the qualities here. Actually, pwede siyang guideline, ano?
Actually, pwede din siya sa nanay.
Oo
Pansinin mo.
naman. Oo
Di ba? Yung mga
naman.
binanggit ni Sandrine.
Yeah.
These are all applicable din sa mga nanay.
Funny. Oo, alam niyo po sa aming dalawa, funny talaga to si Mark. Because, what's daddy's job again?
Magician.
She's a magician, oo.
Mm.
Sabi ko nga, ako yung in charge sa daily bath, yan, napapakain ng maayos, ganyan. But siya talaga, he's the more playful one, si
Yeah.
Daddy. Si Daddy he's the fun parent. And that's what I like about you. It's rare to have that kind of parent in yung relationship mo with Sandrine and Zemira.
Ta-translate ko yun, guys, ha?
Oh,
I
why?
bring the chaos, she brings the order.
Hindi,
Period.
grabe. Hindi naman
Ganun.
chaos yun. Lalo't bata, they need fun, right? They need play. And siya talagang nagbibigay nun, fun and
Nang gulo.
play.
Parang nung isang araw,
Oh,
nilaban niya yung underwear ko.
Uy,
Sabi niya
talaga,
ako, kunin mo. Ay, by the way, before I continue, mga kaibigan, gusto ko lang po i-congratulate yung asawa ko
Wow.
for surviving 2 weeks.
Father's Day ngayon, di ba?
Hindi, papasok ko lang to.
Oo,
Kasi,
oo.
yung kumbaga sa roles ang pinag-uusapan,
Oo.
2 weeks po kaming walang kasambahay kasi nagbakasyon po ng 2 weeks yung aming napakagaling na angel na si Ate Alice. Anyway, so she took on the role of everything. Siya yung nagluluto, which by the way, ang sarap magluto. She took the role of everything nasa bahay, lalo kung nagtatrabaho ako, and she did it.
Yeah, but
5-star service.
thank
Pero,
you.
eto na, nilaban po niya lahat ng underwear ko.
Oh,
So,
ano
nalaban,
ba
natuyo na.
nangyari?
Sabi niya, Daddy, kunin mo na doon sa sampayan. Dahil kinuha ko na, inakit ko.
Oh.
Ang dami. Lahat ng underwear ko, literal, fresh, clean. So, being typical father,
Oh
being
my
typical
gosh.
me, tinambak ko lahat sa drawer. Ang problema, sinishare namin yung isang side ng drawer na yun.
The big
Yung
drawer.
underwear drawer, one side is mine, one side is hers.
Mm.
Pagbukas nila, lagay niya yung kanya, nakatambak yung akin. Sigaw siya, ano to?
Parang pansit. Parang pansit. Sabi ko, ano to? Do you know that we're sharing? Tapos parang nagmamaang-maangan na hindi niya alam na nag-share kami. So, wala. Kailangan ko talagang tupiin.
Wala lang. So, yung going back to what she was saying, I bring the chaos, she brings the order. Inayos siya, tiniklop niya isa-isa. So, ganun po yung dynamics namin. And I think karamihan naman ng couples is like that.
Oo,
Diba?
and then they complement each other.
Do you guys, tinitiklop niyo ba yung underwear niyo? Tinitiklop niyo ba yung medyas niyo? I think some guys do.
Oh,
Yung mga neat
bakit?
freak na lalaki. But
Okay.
I don't see the point of folding your underwear. Lagay mo siya sa isang lalagyan. Very
Okay,
good.
sige. Kailangan natin ng kaayusan sa bahay, hindi ba? Para mas magaan ang pasok ng biyaya.
See?
Para yung mind mo is healthy, right?
She brings the order, I bring the chaos. Diba? Yung ginawa pa niyang, he's the fun parent.
No, yun naman talaga, totoo. Di ba sinabi ko naman sa'yo nung isang araw yun, na natutuwa ako na ganun ka sa mga anak mo. There's one more thing. Yun. So, I think na-discuss na natin to sa ating previous episodes. Yung changes na naranasan mo from being single to being a father. So, ano yung pinaka-striking na change?
Change?
Mhm.
I think yung level of patience. I would go as far as saying na kung wala tong mga to, wala na akong pasensya at all.
Yeah.
I think kasi di ba habang tumatanda po tayo, yung pasensya mo umiikli yan eh. And it started dahil nga nang nag-asawa kami at late na kami nagkaanak. Nag-uumpisa nang maubos yung pasensya ko nung naging kami. Siguro because of age din. Pero
parang ako yung dahilan ng nauubos yung
hindi,
pasensya
because
mo.
of age nga eh. So, nung dumating tong mga to, parang sinabi ni Lord sa akin, habaan mo ng konti, kailangan dagdagan mo pa yan. Make an effort dahil mahaba-haba pa yung tatahakin nyo. So I think that's one, yung pasensya ko. Kailangan, naramdaman ko naman kahit papaano, it's lingering, it's getting better.
Yeah. Napansin ko nga ikaw nung isang araw si Zemira parang gusto niya lang umiyak. Kahit anong i-offer mo, gusto niya lang talagang no at iyak. Tapos si Mark, it was a good day for him, ha? Oh, what do you want? Aba, kalmado talaga. Hanggang sa mahanap nila yung magpapatahan kay Zemira. Good job, Daddy.
No, ino-observe mo pala yung mga yun.
Oo, na-observe ko. Kasi, lalo na nitong 2 weeks na to, di ba? Ako yung medyo loaded sa household chores. Medyo maikli. Maikli yung pasensya
Ay, ang
ko.
dami mong sigawan tong last 2 weeks na to. Di ba? Mommy was init ulo sometimes,
Oo,
no, Sandrine?
Yeah.
Kaya nga kagabi, nagwa-wash na kami ni Zemira. Ang dami ko nang nagawa na to, end of the day. Sabi ba naman niya, hindi naman ako angry, Mommy, are you angry? Ganun siya. No, just a little bit angry. No. Sabi niya, you smile. Gumanon ba naman sa akin? Kasi nga yung mukha ko parang
pagod na.
Oo. Hindi naman ako galit. It's just that ang daming nangyari kasi all throughout the day. So parang nagsisi naman ako, my child just wants to see me, smile and happy sa kung ano yung ginagawa namin together. Anyway, okay, I have another question. What is one thing that you would want, hindi one thing, but things that you would want your children to learn from you?
That it's okay to fail. Yun ang isang gusto kong matutunan. Kasi when I was growing up, hindi naman sa sinasabi sa akin, I have to be the best in everything. Pero wala nung positive reinforcement na ganun na we were never really taught how to handle failure. Kaya yung sa akin, sometimes the smallest things pinapalaki ko. The smallest mistakes, parang ang bigat nung dating sa akin.
Yeah.
But when I got older, I realized na yung mga bagay na yun na hindi mo nagawa successfully, yung mga planong gusto mo sanang gawin na hindi nag-work out, that's okay. Parang yun ang gusto ko matutunan sa kanila. Not to pressure themselves too much. Parang,
that's good.
I think ang gusto ko sa kanilang makuha sa akin din is yung just try to enjoy things as much as you can. Kahit gaano ka seryoso pa yung ginagawa mo, try to put joy into it. Try to enjoy.
And this I'm learning from you as well. I see that in you. Kasi ako medyo seryoso ako. Do you notice that?
Yeah, I noticed that.
Oo.
And not because of anything. Kasi ikaw yung isa sa pinaka-passionate na taong kilala ko. And when you're passionate, sometimes you tend to become serious sa ginagawa mo.
Yeah.
Ganun din naman ako pag ako, I don't do things half-assed kasi. Ayoko nung ganun Pansin mo, di ba, kahit sa trabaho, kailangan, I do the best of what I can do. Kahit sometimes hindi ko na responsibility yon at napunta sa akin, ginagawa ko pa rin to the best of my ability. That's because of that side of me. Yan ang gusto ko matutunan din nila na yung mga ganung bagay, relax ka lang. Do it, but don't be too OC about things. Chillax lang. Do what you can. And if it doesn't work out, do the next thing. Laging merong susunod dyan. So, ganun lang.
This is a hard question.
No.
Will you ever be ready when the time comes na magsisettle down na yung mga girls mo?
Oh my God, that's a big leap, ha? But parang ang layo mo na itong ready. Depende siguro in what way. I know the time will come. Hindi ko naman siya kukontrahin.
Yeah.
Yun Here's the thing. Nung pinagkatiwala ka sa akin ng mommy mo, ganun yung gusto ko na i-apply sa magiging partner, na magiging anak natin.
That's and your words to them would be?
Stay away. Dala ko lang. Joke lang po. Hindi ko pa po alam. Ang pinagdadasal ko lang is they find someone who will take care of them the way I take care of you.
And more. Someone who will take care of them the way you take care of them.
Yeah.
And more, actually.
Diba? Yun nga,
Right?
yung nakikita natin sa Instagram, diba? Kailangan, ako daw yung peg.
Yes.
Kailangan pagka merong nanligaw sa kanila, kailangan sasabihin nila, ginagawa sa amin daddy namin to, ganito, ba't di mo kayang gawin?
Oo.
Kailangan gawin mo to.
Dapat
So,
higitan mo. Kaya nga, kayong mga tatay, because we have girls, right? Kayong mga tatay, ang standard dapat
yes.
ng mapapangasawa nila.
That's true.
Kaya mga tatay, ipakita nyo ang best nyo sa inyong mga anak.
Yeah.
Dahil, tatandaan nila lahat. Ito lahat to. Ito, reminder lang din to sa mga tatay. Ito, based on experience to, ano, pag tinatawag kasi si Mark ng mga bata, si Daddy, look. Minsan syempre busy ka. But most of the time naman, you would attend to them right away. But may times kasi na busy, so I would call you and Daddy, tawag ka, okay? This is based on experience. I was maybe 9 or 10. Tas naging interesado ko sa paggigitara.
Yeah.
Okay? And love ko tatay ko, okay? Nasabi ko na ba to sa kanya? Parang hindi ko pala nasabi.
Sa akin mo palang kinuwento yan.
Okay. So kung
Kung ito yung
mapapanood mo
naisip
to, Daddy, love kita, Happy Father's Day. But merong isang bagay, natatandaan po ito ng mga anak. So I was 9 or 10 noon, interesadong maggitara. And my dad, in my eyes, was the best guitar player. He really still plays his
Oo,
guitar.
galing.
Magaling po ang tatay ko. So, nung time na yun, sabi ko, Daddy, turuan mo ako. So, alam niyo po yung may song hits pa noon. Siyempre, tiny hands, soft hands. Meron akong hindi maipit sa mga strings. So, nagkanda-kalyo-kalyo na ako. So, parang tinuruan niya ako once.
Okay.
And then, ayan, tingnan mo sa song hits, Siyempre, babalik ka ulit. Paano nga po ba ito? Can you help me? Ganyan. Parang, hindi na niya ako na-entertain. Parang, you have the song hits, parang, do it on your own, ganun. And, medyo sumama yung loob ko noon. And I lost interest instantly.
Kasi hindi kanya
Ganon. Oo. Kaya, I know moms and dads, well, this goes for both of you. You may be so busy with the grind, with the household chores. Pero pag lumapit sa inyo ang anak nyo, pay attention.
Bitawan nyo muna sandali. Kung ano man yung ginagawa
Pay
nyo.
attention.
Pwede namang i-let go muna ng a few seconds yun eh. Kasi syempre, sandali lang naman yung attention span naman. Tapos ito pa. Syempre, liligawan po yung mga yan, di ba?
Balik
When
tayo
the day
dun.
comes.
Okay.
So, kung gusto nyong mahirapan talaga sila sa panliligaw, make sure that very early on, kayo yung best image, best representation of a man para sa kanila. Yung tipong ang taas na nung standard nila sa kung ano dapat ang lalaki maging. Na by the time comes na may nanligaw, kailangan, kung eto yung daddy ko, kailangan nandito ka. Ang taas nung sinet mo. Di ba?
Yes.
So, mas mahihirapan sila, baka matagalan din maligawan. Or kung ligawan man agad-agad, hindi sasagutin. Alam niyo na guys, di ba? It's terrifying to think about that time. Hindi ko talaga alam. If you ask me kung paano ko i-handle yun, hindi ko alam eh. Will I be sad? Will I be happy? Will I be, ano bang mga emotion? Hindi ko alam. Alam ko nadadating yun balang araw. If I'm ready for it, I don't know. Pero kung etong mga to is at least half as strong as you are, half as level-headed as you are.
They will be more. I know that.
Diba? Hindi ako dapat mag-alala. Kaya nga dyan sila titira sa tabing lote. Kasi itong ko ipapagawa yung bahay nila.
Wow. Hindi dapat yung mapapang-asawa nila nagpapagawa ng bahay.
Dyan sa tabi natin.
Kasi doon mo makikita yung capability nila, di ba?
No. O yan, sa'yo na yung lote na yan.
Wow. Sandali.
Yung katabi, patayo ka ng bahay dyan. Sige na, okay lang yan sa amin. Walang problema. Parang tatawid lang.
Going back to strength of fathers, syempre sa isang pamilya, dumadaan ang mga pagsubok. Is it okay for their children to see their fathers cry?
Yes.
Or feeling weak? Is that okay?
Yes, I think so.
Mhm.
Ako never kong nakita yung pag-iyak as a sign of weakness.
Mhm.
Ever. Kahit nung
Mhm.
bata ako.
Kasi may mga magulang na hindi dapat nila makita 'to,
Mhm.
dahil meron silang pinoprotektahan at pino-project sa mga anak nila.
Yeah.
So, ikaw okey lang?
That's fine. That's fine. Alam mo, perfect example yan. Buti,
Mhm.
maganda yung question mo.
Mhm.
My father, si Lolo Jimmy. Happy Father's Day, Lolo
Love
Jimmy.
love mo rin si daddy,
Do you
si
love Lolo
Papa
Jimmy?
Jimmy,
Yeah.
Yes, lumaki to sa lolo.
Ah.
Anyway, my father was not the emotional type eh. Siya yung tipong, alam mo yun, always in control of his emotions. Hindi ganun kadali sa kanya to express what he's feeling eh. Pero nung kinasal tayo was the first time I really saw him crying.
Aw.
Nung, di ba, mauna ako maglakad
Nauna
sa...
bang umiyak sa'yo si Lolo Jimmy?
Nauna pa. Hindi naman siya umiyak na humahagulgol. Pero I saw the tears. And, you know, that kind of, tinawid ako doon sa line na, okay, kala ko di ako iyak. Di ko nakakayanin to. Ganun. Kasi when my mom saw him tear up na rin yung nanay ko. Yun yung time na maglalakad ka po sa aisle, di ba? Sasalubong ka muna sa magulang mo, dadaling ka nila sa altar bago dumating si Hazel. Things like that. You know, hindi nakakahiya yun eh.
And you felt that,
I felt
right?
that. I
Yeah.
felt how much my dad loved me nung moment na yun.
Oh.
And-
Parang sabi nila, ay, salamat.
Ay, salamat, aalis na siya ng bahay. Woo! -1 ang papalamunin. Yay!
Ilang taon ka na nagpakasal? 30?
Anong taon ba ako nun?
And
You do the math.
So, 20...
Huh.
Teka, I was 33 ba? 34 plus 8. 8 ba ang tanda?
40, 41? Tama ba? 40,
diba?
41.
So, nasa poder pa siya ng magulang niya.
Diba?
Then 40, 41. Kaya yung iyak niya nga, tama.
Yay! May libre ng kwarto. Pwede ko nang gawing computer room. Yay!
Hindi,
Diba?
biro lang po yan. Biro lang.
Ganun po ang naging role ko sa buhay ng magulang ko eh. Late po ako sa lahat. Late ako gumraduate, late ako umalis ng bahay, late ako kinasal. Yan.
Alam mo, Daddy, lahat nangyayari yan in His perfect time.
That's true.
Kasi kung napaaga ka mag-asawa, hindi kami yun. Hindi
True.
ako yun, hindi siya yun.
Ayoko. I want Sandrine to be my daughter.
Hi.
Forever.
But we just wanna thank fathers.
Yes.
Ang ating mga tatay na nagpupursigi at nagsusumika para talagang itaguyod ang ating mga pamilya. Let's go back to our fathers na nagkanda utang-utang po.
Oh yeah.
Naalala ko yan para lang mapag-aral tayo. And of course, ikaw being a dad, you would want to do that and more.
Yeah.
Gusto mong higitan yung ginawa nilang, ika nga, legacy nila ang mapag-aral tayo, ang mapagtapos. Right? Ikaw, what's your legacy?
My legacy?
Ang legacy na gusto mo na matandaan sa'yo ng iyong mga anak.
Gusto ko lang maano nila na every chapter of their life, gusto ko may tatak ako. Hindi naman yung sapilitan eh.
Yeah.
I just want them, when they remember me when I'm gone, gusto ko yung bawat part ng buhay ko, buhay nila.
Daddy was
Daddy
there.
did this, Daddy was there, Daddy was there. Yun lang gusto ko. Ayoko yung may part ng buhay nila na sana si Daddy was there to do this. Ayoko nung ganun. Gusto ko ganun yung tatak ko sa kanila na Daddy was always there for us. No questions asked. Available siya lagi. And yun lang ang gusto ko sana mangyari.
That's really nice. That's really nice.
Diba?
And if there's one thing that I'm really, really thankful for sa'yo, yun na yung pagiging present mo na, tatay. That's rare nowadays. And I'm so lucky na ganito ka sa iyong mga anak. What?
What? Hindi naman, hindi yun, bra.
Ano yan? Bando, anak.
Kita daw yung bra, hindi naman bra.
Mhm.
That's
And I like that you're that you're gentle to them, that you're treating our girls like they're real princesses. Sa sobrang ang ganun nasa-spoil na po. So ako yung taga-control.
Lahat naman ng tatay, ganun.
Oo. And thank you dahil nakikita naman namin yung paghihirap mo. Thank you dahil kahit kinakabahan ka sometimes and you're overthinking sometimes, we know that you only want the best for our family.
Yep.
And thank you. Know that I'm here always supporting you.
I know. I feel that.
And just scratching your back when it's itchy.
And cleaning my ears when they're full of gunk.
Oh, at pag hindi ka sure, tignan mo lang kami.
Mhm.
Magiging sure ka na sa buhay.
Hindi naman ako nagdududa.
I mean, when you're not sure sa mga susunod na steps, right? When you're feeling anxious, and know that the Lord is just blessing you
Mhm.
because you have such a kind heart, a big heart, not only for us, but for all the people around you.
Thank you, Mami.
I love you.
That's really nice. I love you too.
Ay,
Layo.
Tinakpan. And dahil Father's Day,
Hoy, ano yan?
may Father's Day gift ako sa
Aha! May ganun, ha?
It's from me and the
Did you
kids.
know this?
From me and the kids.
Did you know that Mommy has? Did you know that Mommy has this? You do? What?
Happy Father's Day!
Oh, wow. Open it for
Oh,
me.
open,
Kasi
open.
my other hand is holding.
Okay. Open.
Hanggal ka.
Open. Tara! Open mo muna.
Oh, wow. No
Open
way.
mo muna.
No way. Is this the one?
Yeah.
It is?
Open mo.
So wait, Sandrine, you know about this? Did Mommy tell you that she got this?
Open mo.
Ano ba tong?
Okay, I'll help you.
Yeah, I got it. I'll throw the
May help?
box. I'll throw the box down.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Iinom ka na ng tubig from now on.
Self-serving gift from my wife. Parang gusto niya akong painumin ng tubig every day.
Yeah.
Look at this. It's
Star Wars.
I know.
Favorite niya po ang Star Wars.
That's awesome.
Oo.
Tinan mo yun, oh.
Mm-mm.
Darth Vader on the side. Look at that.
So ano ang promise mo? Iinom ka na ng
Oo, pupunuin ko to
marami?
ng ice and coke.
water! Water!
No.
I know. Thank you for this gift.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, Mommy. I love it. Ano to merong unlock lock? Ganun ba talaga yun?
I don't know about this version. Ito.
Parang
Hindi
siya nabubukas.
Ganda ha.
Ang ganda niya actually.
I like
Gusto ko
it.
kasi yung straw part niyan eh.
Oh yeah.
Yun yung...
Tada!
Ang hirap hanapin yan. Buti nakahanap ka.
Mm.
And washing the cup is recommended. Okay. Pwede rin hot.
Yeah. Well, I don't know.
I'm sure pwede yan. But it's nice.
Well, I want you to drink
Ang
water.
design, no?
24 hours cold.
I wish there was a girl good at.
There's a Grogu one too. May ganyan na Grogu.
I
saw
want to
it.
know kung pwede
I
nga
want
ba. I'm not
one.
sure.
You want one? Okay. We'll figure it out. Don't worry.
For
But thank
my
you.
birthday.
I love it. I love the
Yay.
gift
Daddy, for my birthday.
for your birthday. Thank you for the gift, Sandrine. Thank you so much.
All right. Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Happy Father's Day to
At
all of
sa lahat po
us.
ng ating mga tatay.
Yes, again, Lolo Jimmy, Lolo Onji, si Papa Ken, si Kuya Kit, si Paul, my brother, Kiko soon.
Yan! Soon to be dad. My God.
Tinakot. Nakakala ng mga tao. Buntis na si Giselle. Hindi, joke lang po. But yeah, ang message ko lang po to all the fathers like me, enjoy lang po kayo. I mean, napakaraming stress sa buhay, napakaraming nangyayari sa paligid natin ngayon. Yung mga bagay na wala tayong control, like what she always tells me, pasadyos nyo lang. Don't worry about too much about them. Yung mga kaya nyong kontrolin, fine. Yung mga kaya nyong ayusin on your own, na kaya nyong diktahan, fine. Pero yung mga hindi, leave it to the Lord. And ang paniniwala ko, like I always tell her then, pag meron kayong mga ganito, hindi kayo papabayaan. God will always provide when you have angels like this. So,
Amen.
Happy Father's
Happy
Day
Father's
to all of us.
Day. And daddies, you are doing a great job.
Yes.
Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo. We love you.
I love you. Kahit hindi sinasabi everyday ng family nyo, rest assured, they appreciate what you're doing. Ramdam nila yung pagmamahal ninyo. May mga hindi masyado lang vocal talaga, but rest assured, nararamdaman nila yon. They feel it every day, and they appreciate having a daddy like you. Diba, Sandy?
And a daddy like you. Thank you, and see you.
Next episode. Bye. Say bye, Sandrine.
Bye.